Ito yung popular ata sa kanila.
Hmm?
Yung beats na to. Ito, gusto mo to? Ito.
Ayan nga.
Yan?
Fortune
ba to?
Yung combo.
Ano yung kaya to? Yo po, Fortune ba to? Excuse me.
And then these two, we call this yuzu kosho and the yuzu salt. So yuzu kosho is a yuzu paste with black pepper. So it can be a little bit spicy. Yeah, you can try a little bit, and I hope you guys like them. Yeah, and then this is the butter. So you can put the butter on the top of the stone,
Yeah.
and then you can grate the meat.
Oh, this is the same as that one.
This is the salt. Yuzu salt.
Okay.
Nice.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
So just some avocado roll to go in 2 or 3.
Yeah, yes. To order. Yeah. Thank you.
Ang lami na pala nito.
Oo. Akala mo lang konti.
Yeah.
Parang nagbabahay-bahayan na naman ito.
Pero ang dami. Ilang minutes lang? Seconds lang.
Kasi titigas yan.
Ano ba siya, beef?
Pusong kilala ba? Dalawa sa'yo.
Dalawa sa akin. Wait naman.
Okay, itadagdag mo.
Sige nga, taste test. Lalagyan mo pa daw ng salt. Kung gusto mo lang. Ano?
Sarap.
Sarap? Satisfied. Busog. Busog kayo po? Ha?
Busog.
Busog.
Pero
Ano?
still going.
Still going?
Hindi ba against the light?